Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's 8. It's Monday. It's Monday. Happy Monday. We're ready to start a week. You guys, I have my first order. $14 going to Mayo. And I'm only going to shop for one item. Just one item, y'all. So I have been here since 7:40. And right now it's 8:20. That's when I received my first order. So almost an hour. So let's go get this. Hello.
Yeah, for the PlayStation.
Oh.
I scanned the register.
So yo, I didn't know that it was going to be heavy. It's a little bit heavy, but it's not too heavy. But we got it. So let's go at checkout right now. Yeah, I'm here. So let's go third floor. We're going third floor. Just received my second order, you guys, for $16 going for Mayo, and it's only 2 drop off, and he already loaded in my car. So right now I'm about to go deliver. Let's go deliver, you guys. Let's go. So my first drop off, it's 6 minutes. Let's drive 6 minutes. Coming to deliver to this big building here, and the person says to call them. Second drop off. I'm here, so let's go drop it off. Let's go back at Walmart, y'all. I have like 10 minutes to get at Walmart. You guys, today it's not a good day so far, because right now it's 10:34. 10:34 in the I only did two orders so far. Only 2 orders, so it's kind of slow today. Let's go back at Walmart and see what we can get. $26 shopping order is going 9 Mayo, y'all, and I'm only going to shop for 14 items. So let's go. Hold on. Just received another order, y'all. $20. It's going 6 Mayo, and it's only 2 drop off. And guess what? It's 12 right now. 12 o'clock. Goes my order. Okay. First drop off. Right, our next stop is 5 minutes away, y'all. 5 minutes from here. Let's go. You guys, I took 2 hours break. My son had an appointment, so I went to pick up him from school and took him to the appointment. So right now it's 3:18, you guys, 3:18, and I went around 1. So I'm going back at Walmart to make at least 100 today for the whole entire day, because when I left I was on $78, so I'm going back to do 2 more orders or 3. Yeah, so let's go, y'all. I received an offer, you guys. $13 shopping for 7 items, and it's going for Mayo. So I had to take it, y'all. I had to take this order, so I'm done shopping for it. Right now I'm just going to check out. So let's go. Slow Monday, but I'm still here. Just received another order. $11. It's going to Mayo. It's a shopping order, and I'm only going to shop for 1 item, y'all. Only 1 item. So let's go. Yo, I'm sorry, I didn't record shopping for my last order and delivering it because I got so busy on the phone, distracted. So right now I received another offer, you guys. $15. I'm going to shop for 2 items, and it's only going 1 mile. So I am super excited for this low shopping because it's only lower than 5 items. So I love when I receive an order that I have to shop less than 5 items because it be so quick. So let's go shop this order. Only 2 items, yeah. So excited. Oops. Keep going. Yo, I missed it. I was walking so fast, I missed it. It's 7. All right, 7. This way or this way? Yo, I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. I'm getting confused. Let's go down again. I'm getting confused, yeah. I'm mixing up with aisle and sections. So 17, here we go. We on aisle 7, section 17, and the module what? I think it's this one, 3. So next we have this one, the same section, 2 of them. So that's it. Oops. Ooh. They're gonna fall. Let me put in there. All right, let's go at checkout. Y'all, this order over here, it was $13, I think, for 2 miles, and only shopped for 5 items. So let's go deliver it. Yo, this is my last order. It was a shopping order, $16 for 2 miles, y'all. I had to shop for, I think it was 11 items. I don't remember how many items. So let's go deliver it. You guys, thank you guys for watching. It's time for me to go home, y'all. It's time for me to go home. It's 6:30 right now. So, yes. Thank you guys for watching. Guess what? 20 subscribers away from getting to 1K. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, you guys. And don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. And yo, I made 148 for the day. 148. I didn't know that I'm gonna get this much money today because I went home. I went to run some errands and come back. So I didn't know I'm gonna get 148. So I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.